It's opened. Now let me adjust this for a minute, set it up. Okay, for a better view, go to File, open the taxonomy. Here you will have two options for opening the taxonomy, that you can either enter the HTTP path or the internet path of the taxonomy that the MCA would be providing, or you can pick up the taxonomy which is already downloaded onto your desktop. So for this demonstration, I already have this taxonomy which I have downloaded on my desktop. I'm choosing this particular taxonomy. As you can see, this is already on my desktop. I picked the in-gap CI 20110331.xst. This is the taxonomy you need to pick up for your 2011 MCA CnI filing. This is getting loaded. It's loading all the link-based documents. All the URI has been accurately mapped. Now after downloading, we just run a quick validation and do a validate taxonomy. As you can see, the taxonomy is validated. The validation has been completed with no errors. So now I will show you the interface of this tool and the taxonomy. On the left hand side, you see the discoverable taxonomy set. This is a representation of the entire taxonomy in a child-parent relationship format. You can see which is part of which parent, the element declaration list. You can click on any particular element and it will show you the details of that element here. For example, the application of funds, the moment I chose that, the ID is displayed, the type, which is a monetary item type, it's an instant, and it's a debit item. So it is not an abstract, so you can enter values for this particular item. Now on the right hand side, we have the presentation link base, which gives a view of how your taxonomy and your output presentation will look like. The A, the red color small a written at the bottom of this particular tag, shareholder fund abstract, indicates that this is an abstract item. You cannot enter value for this. However, you can enter value for paid up share capital. So like here we have definition link base, which links the relationship and provides function to edit definition links. Then there's a calculation link base, which talks about the calculation between different tags. Here order defines the positioning of this element, and the weight is if this is a debit type or a credit type. So 1 means it's a credit item and 2 means it's a debit item. And then you have a label link base, which talks about the label of each of the item. Interestingly, for this particular year 2011, MCA has not allowed the extension of presentation link base or definition link base or calculation link base or label link base. So you cannot make any extension right now, but moving forward for the next year, when the extensions may be allowed, you will need the taxonomy editor functionalities quite a lot, because this is the time you will be creating your own tags and elements which you might not be able to find in the current taxonomy. There are the other options. You can go to tools and click on a quick report. As I'm doing, I just want to, for example, see a presentation link. I click on generate report, so it says that the output is completed. Let me open this particular up. This is getting generated. I'll load the block content and try to pull this in the presentation area. Here you have the details of the taxonomy and the tags are listed here, like disclosure and auditor reports. If I click on this, the children elements get hidden. So these are the various functionality that you can use using taxonomy editor. So that is pretty much on the demonstration of taxonomy.